Axos Bank Personal Loan Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get personal loans wrong. They focus only on interest rates. The surprising truth about Axos Bank personal loans is how fast, flexible, and customer-friendly they are. And you won't believe how quickly you can get funds for emergencies, debt consolidation, or large purchases. Here's how it works. Axos Bank offers unsecured personal loans online with fixed rates and repayment terms ranging from 12 to 60 months. Applications are completed online, approval can happen in minutes, and funds are typically deposited within 1 to 2 business days. For example, someone consolidating credit card debt can use an Axos personal loan to pay off high-interest balances, simplify monthly payments, and save on interest. Most people get this wrong. They assume online loans are complicated, but Axos prioritizes a straightforward application process and clear terms. Additional features include no prepayment penalties, flexible repayment schedules, and the ability to check rates without impacting your credit score. Axos also provides customer support to answer questions and assist with loan management. However, there are considerations. Approval depends on credit worthiness, and interest rates vary based on credit score and loan term. Most people assume the best rates are automatic. You may need to shop around or improve your credit to get the lowest rate. In conclusion, Axos Bank personal loans are ideal for borrowers who want fast, flexible financing with transparent terms. Whether consolidating debt, covering a large expense, or managing cash flow, it's a solid option worth considering. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of banking and loan services.